Hey there, welcome to the video. Today we're tackling a common problem that many Java programmers encounter. The problem at hand involves a scenario where code is written to check for palindromes in a user-inputted string, but there seems to be a hiccup with handling spaces and punctuation. It's a classic case of code not behaving exactly as expected, leaving the programmer scratching their head in confusion. Let's dive into this interesting problem and find a solution together. In the solution provided, the key insight lies in understanding how the scanner class works in Java. By switching from in.next to in.nextLine, the code correctly captures the entire user input as a single string. This change ensures that the user input variable contains the entire string, including spaces and punctuation. Hence, the issue was not with the replace all calls but with how the input was being read. Making this adjustment allows the palindrome checking logic to function as intended, giving accurate results for a wide range of input strings. To sum it up, the crucial fix for the problem lay in adjusting the method used to capture user input. By switching to in.nextLine, the code successfully handles strings with spaces and punctuation, ensuring that the palindrome checking algorithm works smoothly. So, if you ever find yourself in a similar situation while coding in Java, remember this simple yet effective solution. And with that, we've reached the end of our video. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Remember, programming can be puzzling at times, but with the right insights, you can crack the code with ease. Bye for now.